emitting. So I hope you understood the part B of the question. Now we'll move towards the next part. So the part C of the question, it is suggested that one side of the copper sheet cools to the lower temperature than the other side. But explain why this does not happen. Okay, this was our figure in part A. The left hand side is painted black and right hand side is polished one, and we know that this black side will emit maximum amount of radiations because it is a better radiator. So it is expected that since matte black emits more amount of radiation, this side will be cooling down rapidly and this side will take time. So that is our expectation. So the one side of the copper sheet cools to the lower temperature. Okay, but actually this is not happening. And why this is not happening? Because when the cooling process starts, okay, there is the another process which is called as the conduction is also taking place, and the heat may flow through the process of conduction also. Okay, so this conduction, if this heat will be flown to the surface, whatever this copper wire is in touch with, and that conduction process is very rapid as compared to this radiation process. Radiation takes a lot of time to equalize the temperature, but the conduction process is very rapid. So the heat is flown by the process of conduction, and because that is a rapid process, there won't be any unequal temperatures to both the sides. So we can write down over here the first of all, the conduction is very important. You have to mention this word, the conduction, and write down the conduction takes place. This is a very important thing. And then you can write down as the copper is a good conductor of heat. Okay, it is, or you can write down it flows rapidly to equalize the temperature. So it is just because of the rapid nature of the conduction. So when the cooling process starts, the radiation is also there and the conduction is also there. But since the conduction is very rapid, because copper is a very good conductor of the heat, all the heat is lost by the conduction, and then there won't be any appreciable change in the temperature in the both sides. Okay, or difference in the both sides, appreciable difference in the temperature on the both sides, you can say. So I hope you understood the part C, and here also here we are going to ending up our structured problems. So you can see all these problems, the process of conduction, convection, and the radiation. Those things are only we are going to use, and you should have a better understanding of this three process so that you can solve all the problems.